Welcome, young leaders, to Quick Tips with Mr. Havranek.
Ever have trouble finding the work on your screen? Feel overwhelmed by all the open windows? No worries. Here are some quick tips to help with that. Seeing your open windows. By using 3 fingers to swipe up or down on your trackpad, you can view all the windows that you have open on the Chromebook. This can really be helpful when you feel like your screen is too cluttered and you can't find something. Just use your 3 fingers to swipe up or down and then click on the window that you'd like to see. Moving between tabs. Sometimes clicking through all your open tabs can be frustrating too. Moving through multiple tabs in the same window can be a lot of unnecessary clicking. It might even lead to accidentally closing a tab that you still needed. Instead, try using the 3-finger technique again. By lightly dragging 3 fingers across the trackpad at the same time, you can move left or right through all the open tabs to get where you need to be. This can really help cut down on time and stress. Arranging and organizing windows. Did you know that double-clicking the bar at the top of a window can change the view to full screen? Once you are done with full screen mode, simply double-click the bar again and it will return to normal size. Clicking on the corner of a window and dragging can also help to adjust the size. Sometimes it's helpful to view 2 tabs on the screen at the same time. If you would like to separate a tab from the window it is in, just click on that tab and drag it into its own area. Then you can view both tabs simultaneously. You can even switch back and forth between full screen, which we already learned. And when you're done, you can simply drag the tab right back into an open window to save space on the desktop again.
Well, I hope this helped you out. And remember, the only person that you can be better than is the person that you were yesterday. So keep up the good work.